So in the last video, we looked at how we could use constructor functions to set particular values for our properties inside our classes. In this video, we're going to look at destructor functions. So as you can imagine, they're functions that happen whenever a particular object is destroyed. So let's see how that might work. We'll keep our constructor function for the moment. And let's write it from scratch. So as before, we define our method with function, and then what do you think it's going to be called this time? It's destruct. We're not going to take any variables this time, so we just do it like that. So this is a much simpler one, really. We don't use it so much as the constructor function, but let's just see how it might work. So a baddie has been destroyed. So you could imagine this working in a game. What happens when you kill a baddie? When it's destroyed, it disappears from the screen, it explodes, the level ends, and you go on to the next stage. Whatever it might be, you could imagine that working there. We're just going to keep it very simple and display some text. So we don't need scaled error for the moment, and we'll comment that out. So obviously we need to know how to actually destroy an object. If you're familiar with PHP, you're probably aware of the unset command. That's the command that we use to destroy a variable or an array or any kind of object in PHP. So we can use that on Gannon. There we go. So now when we run that, it should tell us that the baddie has been destroyed. And as a very quick exercise for you, see if you can remember what we did 2 videos ago. Can you replace baddie with a general variable which will just display the name of the class at that point? I'll give you a few moments to pause the video and try it out. Did you remember how to do it? What we do is that. Just like that. So we use the double quotes to end and restart the string, and then we use the class variable there with the underscores at the beginning and the end to display the name of the class. And then we can see it's doing exactly the same thing but with a capital B this time, because the class name is baddie with a capital B. So that's destructor functions and how we can use those to do something every time a particular object is destroyed.